Get your beach bod, how to run on sand like a pro. Ready to take your running game to the beach? This post has you covered. Discover how to maximize your beach run with tips, advice and more. Running on sand at the beach can be an excellent way to add some variety to your usual running routine. However, it can also be more challenging than running on a solid surface, so it's essential to take a few precautions to avoid injury and maximize your workout. Here are some tips for running on sand at the beach. Start slow. If you're not used to running on sand, start with short distances at a slower pace. Gradually increase your distance and speed as your body gets accustomed to the softer surface. Wear proper footwear. Running shoes with good traction are essential for running on sand. Look for shoes with a flexible sole that can bend with the sand and a breathable upper to keep your feet cool. Keep your form. When running on sand, it's easy to let your form slip, but this can lead to injuries. Focus on keeping your core engaged, your arms at a 90-degree angle, and your foot landing directly under your body. Hydrate. Running on sand can be more taxing on your body than running on a solid surface, so make sure to drink plenty of water before and after your run. Take breaks. It's okay to take breaks during your run, especially if you're not used to the extra effort required to run on sand. Take a few minutes to walk, catch your breath, and enjoy the scenery before starting up again. Remember, running on sand is a great way to switch up your routine and challenge your body in new ways. With the right preparation and mindset, you can have a fantastic workout and enjoy the beauty of the beach at the same time. Thanks for watching.